Stop recording.
So we're watching, it's now 7:06, so about 3 or 4 minutes after. We're still watching this one in Jasper and Cherokee County, Kansas, Jasper County, Missouri area.
Special refresh. Special weather state until May 20th. Target area. Monmouth County. Until May. Target Toronto warning. Target area. Johnson. Leavenworth. Wyandotte. Comma. Ellipsis. Tornado emergency for northern Johnson. Wyandotte and southern Leavenworth. Target area. Johnson. Leavenworth. Wyandotte. Comma. Ellipsis. Severe thunderstorm warning. Target area. Target area. Cherokee. Comma. Ellipsis. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. CDT for eastern Cherokee and northwestern Jasper counties. Ellipsis. At 6:55 p.m. CDT. A severe thunder. 1 of 4 AT LTE. Watches and more. Refreshing. Ellipsis.
And
Heading.
it's not.
Refreshing. Ellipsis. Watches and warnings. 1 of 4 LTE.
My radar map is not being friendly today with my internet connection. So guys, I'm super tired because these storms go and go, and they don't really care what you think about them going and going.
7 LTE. L8 1 of 4 bar 8 LTE. Target until May 28th. Watches and warning. Refresh. Dim. 1 of 4 bars. Signal strength. Cellular airplane mode. Switch on.
Turn airplane mode and let's do this the quick.
Alert. Airplane mode. Switch button. On. Error loading content.
I know.
OK. Button. Airplane mode. Switch button. Off. Empty. 1 of 4 bar 8 LTE. Step. Watches and refreshing. Ellipsis. Heading. Watches and warnings. Back. 1 of 4 bars. 8 LTE. Cat out. Lima. 7:10 p.m. Empty list. Radio. Refresh. Dim. Button. Alert. Error loading content. Please check that you have an AT&T net 710 8 1 of 4 bars. Airplane mode.
Not getting service has to be the worst thing in the world. When you're a YouTuber like me, when you don't have service to do your videos.
Stop recording.
It's
Button.
literally the worst. Like, you would think with AT&T, all the talk they could give us service because all the good old deals.
Cellular airplane mode. Switch button. On.
Nope.
Off. Cellular data. Switch button. Error loading content.
Country, but
weather radio.
About a mile away from the tower.
1 of 4 bars. AT LTE. Cat out.
Doesn't
please check that you have it. OK. Button.
We get.
Error load. Please check that you have. Error. Please check that you. OK.
I get
button.
it.
Alert. MWS. Adair County. NO. Severe thunderstorm warning issued May 28th at 7:06 p.m. Close all. Button. Watches and warning. Watches and fail. Refresh. Button. Refresh. Dim.
Now, let's see. This will refresh the map just long enough for us to get a nice look at what exactly it's doing.
Refresh. Button.
Okay, there we go.
Special weather state. Target area. Monmouth County. Special weather. Severe thunderstorm. Target area. Jefferson. Comma. Severe weather. Target area. Cherokee. Comma. Ellipsis. The severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cherokee and northwestern Jasper counties will expire at 7:15 p.m. CDT. Ellipsis. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limit. Severe weather and target area. Cherokee. Comma. Severe thunderstorm warning and target area. Brooks. Comma. Toronto warning and target area. Johnson. Leavenworth. Wyandotte. Comma. Ellipsis. Tornado emergency for northern Johnson. Wyandotte and southern Leavenworth counties. Ellipsis. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. CDT for Wyandotte. Ellipsis. Southeastern Leavenworth and north central Johnson counties. Ellipsis. At 6:58 p.m. CDT. A confirmed large and destructive tornado was located. Ellipsis. Tap to read more.
Alright, this thing is still on the ground, people.
Target area. Refresh. Refresh. Button. Test. Back button.
Thing called
Ellipsis. Instruction. To repeat. A large. Test. Back button.
Alright, let's go to Kansas
Settings.
City.
Select NOAA. Radio. Tab. 1 of 5. NOAA. Missouri. Heading. Dixon weather. Kansas City weather radio. All. Kansas City weather radio. All. Kansas City. NO. Connecting.
Because
mostly cloudy with nearby thunderstorm 78. 0 degrees Fahrenheit.
This includes the
current temperature.
Missouri between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 70 in Kansas between mile markers 410 and 423. Interstate 35 in Missouri between mile markers 0 and 13. Interstate 35 in Kansas between mile markers 232 and 235. Interstate 29 between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 635 between mile markers 1 and 12. Interstate 435 between mile markers 7 and 15, and between mile markers 48 and 60. Kansas Turnpike between mile markers.
I'm assuming that was another tornado warning.
Tornado watch number 275 remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Kansas: Douglas, Johnson, Leavenworth, Miami, and Wyandotte, and the following counties in Missouri: Clay, Jackson, Johnson, Lafayette, Platte, and Ray. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know.
Camera, stop.